Today, I want to talk to you about 5 website fundamentals. Websites no longer function as blurbs about products. The new era of web presence requires the site to provide for the visitors. So in order to make your site work for you, remember that every visitor is a potential client. Before are 5 things that your website needs so you can go from informing visitors to attending to your visitors' needs. Number 1 is get that email address. Without the visitor's email address, you essentially have no way of initiating further contact. So do whatever it takes to get each and every visitor to provide their email to you. You can try freebies. Free is an awesome incentive. You can try providing a free book, a free subscription, or a mini product. You are much more likely to get contact information from your visitors if they feel like they're getting something in exchange right away. Number 2, optimize your usability. The more convenient it is for your clients to sign up for your product, the more likely they are to actually hire you. You can try calendar inputs. If you let your potential clients have a sense of control over when they can receive your product, they are more likely to use your services. By letting your visitors book themselves in your calendar, you'll have eliminated unnecessary back and forth communication and given your visitors more control over their experience. Number 3 is show your skills. The goal is to demonstrate that you have what your visitors want. Illustrate to them that you have both the expertise and the knowledge to help them. You can try ebooks or top 10 lists. You want to grab your visitors' attention in a way that proves to them that you are a fantastic resource. And you can do this by giving them a glimpse of how much you have to offer. Number 4, convenience of product. The more accessible your product is, the more likely your visitors are to buy. You can try a shopping cart for your services. Even if your product is not tangible, for example, like a coaching session, having a shopping cart where visitors can hire you on the spot can make the whole experience more pleasant and profitable. Number 5, frequently asked questions, or FAQ. Everyone has questions. Take advantage of your control over the site by answering some of the most popular questions that might arise from your potential clients. So you can create an FAQ page or a Q&A section on your homepage. You want to demonstrate your competence and your attentiveness to the client. By creating a basic FAQ page, you can illustrate that you have the ability to empathize with your visitors, those people who need your service. There you go. There's 5 website fundamentals for you. I hope you put them into action. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. You can also find other tips, tricks, and tools at amberwheeler.com. See you there.